Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Gravity HP HTC 01B. This is going to be a headphone stand that we're going to be taking a look at in today's video. Let's jump right into this. So this video is brought to you by me. Today I'm going to be sponsoring my own video of my new merch line. This is going to be the first t-shirt I'm going to be launching for the channel. It's a very nice quality print that you can get from Teespring. Everything is linked right below the video here and all videos on my channel. It comes in a number of different colors. You can get it in a hoodie, different women's style t-shirts, stickers. It'll definitely support the channel if you can check it out, and I'd really appreciate it. Let's jump right into the video. So this headphone stand comes in at around €15 and seems to be very similar to other clamp style headphones. What we have is a small screw system attached to the headphone stand that of course then holds your headphones. The build materials used here seem to be really good. The actual bracket is made from a nice metal material and it does have some soft padding underneath so it won't damage your desk or whatever you're mounting it to. And the holder that actually mounts is made from a hard gripped plastic and it's going to be from the underside so it won't do too much damage and you won't actually see anything, so that's why they don't put padding here, although it would have been a nice to have. The actual mounting system uses a circular rubber gripped padding here rather than a pole or some sort of little piece of circular metal that you have to twist manually. I actually like this a lot better. It makes it a lot quicker because you can rotate the action a lot easier with your thumbs rather than trying to spin a pole around, so I'm much more a fan of this. It also seems to have a pretty deep mounting system so it'll fit on a lot of different desk types and sizes, and it's also got the stamped Gravity logo on the bottom which looks really cool. The actual headphone stand itself is made from a hard plastic that seems to be reinforced with a piece of metal going through the center, so it does feel really strong and it feels like it would hold quite a lot of weight. I believe it holds up to 5 kilos, although don't quote me on that. One nice thing about the design here is we do also have 2 hooks directly here attached, which are used for holding cables, which is really nice to see. And you can also actually attach earphones here as well. So if you're using in-ears or some sort of in-ear monitors, you can attach them directly in here and the cables will flow nicely through the edges, which is another nice thing. So I will also mention it is quite a long base on this stand, so it is possible to actually fit 2 pairs of headphones here depending on how big your headphones are. So because of the shape and the material, we can actually mount this vertically and also horizontally. What we can do is loosen this mounting screw right here, and we have 4 holes on the back side that will allow us to change the orientation of the head here, so we can put it in a vertical position or a horizontal position simply by rotating the head here as well. So this makes it even more versatile, which I really like for the price. So it's really nice that you can have this multi-option inside this one headphone stand, and as mentioned, you can actually fit multiple headphones on here, so it takes it to another level for me. So overall, I think this is a great package. I would really recommend this headphone stand. I've been looking at a lot of cheaper alternatives in China that fold away. However, they seem to be much weaker and they don't seem to be as big or have the extra holding mounts for your cables. And this is one I definitely recommend picking up, especially if you're looking for some versatile headphone stand. I'll be leaving links to this in the description down below. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.